How to change Outlook profile picture. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can change the Outlook profile picture. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So changing Outlook picture is very easy. Profile picture is very easy. You just need to simply log into the app using your account and the account that you want to change your profile picture to. After that, logging into it, you'll be able to see this home interface, and here I just want you to tap on your Google profile at the top. You can directly change it from your Google account. You may just go to your Google account and tap on change the profile of your Google account, or you may just come to settings of that app here. After that, when you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see account center here. So simply tap on accounts and tap on your Google account. Now simply tap on the profile and you can choose or import the pictures from your gallery. And just like that, your Outlook profile picture will be changed. So therefore, by following this method, you can change your Outlook profile picture very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.